The state of Kuwait is hosting the 12th Gulf Earthquake Conference, bringing together experts from across the GCC to coordinate efforts and develop unified strategies for dealing with earthquakes, both before and after they occur. As part of this initiative, the GCC countries are working on a unified Gulf platform to monitor earthquakes and tremors, aiming to standardize readings, provide accurate data to decision makers, and reduce risks to high-rise buildings. To discuss the significance of this initiative and the practical steps being implemented, join us via phone call Dr. Abdullah Al-Enezi, Director of the Kuwait Seismic Network at the Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research. Good afternoon, Dr. Abdullah. How can the Unified Gulf Platform for Earthquake Monitoring enhance emergency response and standardize seismic readings across the GCC?
Okay, good afternoon. As you know, that our GCC country is surrounded by active zones, especially from Zagros Mountains. Many times we face strong earthquake, for example, 2013 and 2017, that affect the GCC country, especially now in our country we have high-rise building, and this earthquake in the long term, they may affect it. So it's important that we can cooperate between the GCC state to do monitoring all earthquakes that come from that side, and also to provide or make a platform that we can record all the data, and then we can use it to do a seismic risk assessment and hazard assessment, and that will be useful for us to do building code, because if you want to do a building code, you need a data. If you want to do a unified building code for all GCC state, you need data. So it's an important thing that first we have to unify to establish a Gulf seismic network, and that's what we have started since 2002.
What are the key topics being discussed at the 12th Gulf Earthquake Conference, and how can they be translated into practical measures to reduce the risk of earthquakes on the region's infrastructure?
In this conference, we're going to discuss the seismicity, the seismic network. We're going to do we're going to discuss about seismic hazard assessment, risk assessment, and also about structural health monitoring, and how high-rise building can combat earthquake. And also, we're going to do a one-day workshop about the emergency and response of the state of Kuwait if any incidents of earthquake. And also, we have invited a specialized company in earthquake solution to find for us a new technology in monitoring earthquake. So if we discuss all this issue, at the end we're going to do like a recommendation that we have to do a unified network, and then we can do seismic hazard for the whole state of Kuwait and building code for the whole state of GCC country.
Thank you, Dr. Abdullah.